Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove Twitter from your TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Did you know that Twitter allows you to remove applications and games you may have previously connected to your Twitter account? In this video, I will show you how to remove Twitter from your TikTok account. As you know that you can add your social media platform, your other social media platform on your profile on TikTok and uh, including Twitter. And in this video, we'll show you how to remove that, how to remove your Twitter from your profile on TikTok. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now we can go to your profile. As you can see, there's a Twitter on my profile. When someone visit my account on TikTok, my profile, and they tap on my Twitter here, they will directly go to my Twitter account. To remove it from your profile, you can tap on edit profile. You can scroll down. There is an option Twitter on social section. You can just tap on that. Unlink your Twitter. Your Twitter link will be removed from your profile. You can just tap on confirm to unlink your Twitter from TikTok. And now there is no more your account on Twitter. Can go back and you can see on your profile, on your bio, there's no the Twitter options. So but if you want to add again your Twitter, you can do that anytime on your edit profile here. So that is how to remove Twitter from your TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.